Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the Unilever and the Save coupon inserts that are coming on Sunday, May the 1st, 2022. I believe we're also supposed to be getting the P&G, and I'm not sure about the Smart Source, but I do get these in my mailbox a couple days before they actually come out in the newspapers. I don't sell inserts, but that is how I'm able to share them with you. All right, so the Super Saver is kind of all women, mother, whatever products. We see this around Father's Day too. 5 off of 1 Nexus, 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture, $1 off of the 1 Suave, and then $1 on this. So they're very specific on the what kinds you can use. $1 Suave Lotion, 50 cents Suave Deodorant. All right. Oh, I think I skipped some. Yep. Oh, they did give us some Axe here. All right. So we got lots of Dove. $1 on one, $2 on the body polish. $3 on the Love Body Cleanser, $3 on the Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter, 3 off of 2 on the hair care there, 2 off of the Dove Therapy, $2 Baby Dove, $1.25 on the deodorants there, and $1 on the hand wash, $1 on bath products. So we have this nice coupon again, buy any Axe deodorant or body spray, get any Axe stick deodorant or body spray. So this time you don't have to buy an Axe and then get the body spray. You can get both deodorants. So that'll be great because the people I buy Axe for, that's really what they prefer. $1.50 Axe hair, $2 on the Fresh collection, 4 off of 2 Tresemme, and 3 off of 2 of the hair styling products. And then $1.50 on the St. Ives facial care. Okay, so this one here, we have $5 on the Cysteine lubricant eye drops and $3 on the Zetator. I guess that's how you say it. I don't know why medicines and things have to have such weird names. Okay, $2.50 on Biotin, Polident $2, $1.50 Polygrip, $2.50 on the 2 or 3 count. $4 on 2 Garnier hair color products and 3 off of 2 on the shampoo and conditioner, 3 off of 2 on whole blends. Keep in mind, inserts can vary per region. You may or may not have these specific coupons. Always check in store before you just grab newspapers just to make sure. 3 off of 1, the L'Oreal, lots of skincare products included there, and then the $4 Age Perfect. 3 off of 2, the shampoo, conditioner, or treatments. And 5 off of 2 on the Superior Preference stuff. $3 on mascara, $2 on the face, and $2 on the Age Perfect Cosmetics. 4 off of 2 Maybelline Fit Me. Now I know we do have, I believe it's Ibotta offers on Maybelline right now. We usually get good CVS deals. We have CVS app only, or you can print at the red box right now on Maybelline, so I'll probably be using these soon. $2 on 1 Maybelline New York. They do expire on the 14th. 3 off of 2 Dial Tone or the bar soaps, 2 off of 2. $1 on the Right Guard antiperspirant or deodorant, 3 off of 2. I have not actually purchased those in a long time. We used to always get those free. $2 on 1 Tylenol or Tylenol PM, $2 on the Bengay, $1.50 off any 2 Lindor. Those are my absolute favorite chocolates, I think. I love chocolate. Those are pretty amazing. All right. Lots of coupons this insert. $1 on Nature's Bounty, $3 on the Jelly Bean Vitamin, $4 Sleep Supplement, $2 Vitamin. This is for the Osteo Biflex, $10, $7 on the Ease, and $5 on the 1 per day. All right, Revlon coupons, $3 on the Revlon face, $1 on the eye, and then this huge skinny one on the lip. It's kind of weird how they did it like that. $2 on the Revlon hair color. Dollar Shave Club, $3 and $2 there. $3 on the Opti-Free or the Pure Moist, and $6 off of the twin packs. Eggland's Best, $1 off of 2, $1 off of 2, 35 cents, or $1 off of 2, which I believe these are usually in the Smart Source, because I don't think I usually get these, but anyway, so I got them here. Okay, I think this is just ads. So yeah, Family Dollar ads. Let me just peek real quick here. We do have some dog food and cat food products. $1.50 on the Vegan, $2 on the Beneful, $1.50 on cat chow or the kitten chow, $1 on the Friskies cat treats, and $1.50 on Tidy Cats cat litter. There's one more over here. Oh, just ads. All right, guys, so that's it. That's coming in the inserts that I have to share with you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.